To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications. YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on. Hello and welcome. In this video, we will continue our lesson on pronouns. He and him is known as avanu, or ಇವನು, or ತಾನು in Kannada. Okay. He is good. ಅವನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನು, or ಇವನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನು. Okay. ಅವನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನು, or ಇವನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನು. Avanu is used if a person you are referring to is somewhere else, okay, not in the same room as you are in. Ivanu is used if the person is standing next to you or in the same room where you can point at him and say that he is good. Okay, Avanu and Ivanu is differentiated based on the distance between you and him. He said he won't come. ಅವನು ತಾನು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿದನು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವನು ತಾನು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿದನು. Here, first ಅವನು is he, second ತಾನು is the second he. Okay. That was him. ಅದು ಅವನು, or ಅದು ಇವನು. In this case, him is ಅವನು or ಇವನು. She and her is ಅವಳು or ಇವಳು or ತಾನು in Kannada. She is good. ಅವಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವಳು or ಇವಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವಳು. Once again, avalu is used to refer to a person who is in a different room or a different place. Okay. Ivalu is used if the person is close to you in the sense the distance. Okay. If the person is standing next to you or in the same room where you can point at her, then we use ivalu. Okay. She said she won't come. ಅವಳು ತಾನು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿದಳು. In this case, first avalu is first she, ತಾನು is the second she. Okay. That was her. ಅದು ಅವಳು or ಅದು ಇವಳು. Okay. In this case, ಅವಳು and ಇವಳು mean her. His is avana or ivana or tanna in Kannada. ಅವನ, ಇವನ, ತನ್ನ. His mirror, ಅವನ ಕನ್ನಡಿ or ಇವನ ಕನ್ನಡಿ. Kannadi is mirror. Avana is used similar to the previous one when the person is somewhere else. Ivana is used when you can point at the person. Okay, if he is in same room or standing next to you. He took them to his house. He took them to his house. ಅವನು ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದನು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವನು ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದನು. In this case, avanu is he and tanna is his. Okay, tanna is his. Generally, we do not use this tanna. Okay, the meaning is his, but then we do not use any sentence with tanna in it. His can also mean avanadu. Okay, the possession. The possession can also mean avanadu or ivanadu or tannadu. Avanadu or ivanadu or tannadu. This pen is his. Okay, possession. This pen is his. E pen avanadu or e pen ivanadu. Okay, pen is called as lekhani. You can also say e lekhani avanadu or e lekhani ivanadu. But generally we use the English word itself in our daily life. E pen avanadu or ivanadu. Once again, avanadu is used if the person is somewhere else, and ivanadu is used when the person is in close proximity. Okay. He said that this was his. He said that this was his. ಅವನು ಇದು ತನ್ನದು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದನು. ಅವನು ಇದು ತನ್ನದೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿದನು. ಓಕೆ, ತನ್ನದು in this case is his. her ಅವಳ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಳ or ivala or tanna. Her room avala kone or ivala kone is room. Avala is used when the person is somewhere else. Ivala is used if the person is standing next to you or close to you. She took them to her house. ಅವಳು ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಳು. ಅವಳು ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ತನ್ನ is her. Okay, her. hers ಅವಳದ್ದು or ಇವಳದ್ದು or ತನ್ನದು. In this case, hers is possession. Okay. This dog is hers. This dog is hers. ಈ ನಾಯಿ ಅವಳದ್ದು or ಈ ನಾಯಿ ಇವಳದ್ದು. Once again, ಅವಳದ್ದು is used if some person is somewhere else. ಇವಳದ್ದು is used if the person is in same room or next to you. She said that this was hers. She said that this was hers. ಅವಳು ಇದು ತನ್ನದು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದಳು. ಅವಳು ಇದು ತನ್ನದೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿದಳು. In this case, ತನ್ನದು is hers. Himself. Himself is ಅವನೇ, ಅವನೇ or ಇವನೇ, ಇವನೇ or ತಾನೇ, ತಾನೇ. He himself stood up. He himself stood up. ಅವನು ಅವನೇ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತನು. or ಅವನು ತಾನೇ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತನು. Okay. In this case, ಅವನೇ is himself or ತಾನೇ is himself. He came here by himself. He came here by himself. ಇವನು ಇವನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದನು. ಇವನು ಇವನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದನು. In this case, ಇವನೇ is himself. Okay, you are pointing to the person and you are saying this. Okay. Herself. Herself. ಅವಳೇ, ಅವಳೇ or ಇವಳೇ, ಇವಳೇ or ತಾನೇ, ತಾನೇ. Okay. She herself stood up. She herself stood up. ಅವಳು ಅವಳೇ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತಳು. ಅವಳು ಅವಳೇ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತಳು. In this case, ಅವಳೇ is herself or ತಾನೇ is herself. She came here by herself. She came here by herself. ಇವಳು ಇವಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಳು. ಇವಳು ಇವಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಳು. In this case, ಇವಳು ಇವಳೇ, ಇವಳೇ is herself, ಇವಳು is she. Okay. Him. Him. ಅವನೇ, ಇವನೇ, ಅವನೇ or ಇವನೇ. That is him. That is him. ಅದು ಅವನೇ, ಅದು ಅವನೇ or ಅದು ಇವನೇ, ಇವನೇ or it can be ಇದು ಅವನೇ or ಇದು ಇವನೇ. Okay, it can be like that also. ಅವನೇ and ಇವನೇ mean him in this case. Her. ಅವಳೇ or ಇವಳೇ, ಅವಳೇ or ಇವಳೇ. That is her. That is her. ಅದು ಅವಳೇ or ಅದು ಇವಳೇ or it can be ಇದು ಅವಳೇ or ಇದು ಇವಳೆ. Okay, in this case avale and ivale mean her. It adu or idu or tanu. Okay, it is generally used on neuter gender. It is wrong. Adu tappu or idu tappu. In this case adu is it, idu is it. Adu is used if something you are referring to is not in the same room. Okay, idu is used if you can point at something, okay, and say that it is wrong. Dog said it won't come. ನಾಯಿ ತಾನು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿತು. ನಾಯಿ ತಾನು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿತು. In this case, ತಾನು is it. Okay. Its is adara or idara or tanna. That is its cap. ಅದು ಅದರ ಮುಚ್ಚುಳ. ಅದು ಇದರ ಮುಚ್ಚುಳ. Muchula is cap. Cap is not the one that you wear on your head. Okay, in this case cap is the cap of the bottle. Okay, in this case adara is its, idara is its. Okay, adara once again is used when it is somewhere else. Idara is used when it is next to you, or you can see it, or you can point at it. Dog licked its tail. ನಾಯಿ ತನ್ನ ಬಾಲವನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಕಿತು. In this case, tanna is its. Itself. Ade or ide or tane. It came by itself. Ade bantu or ide bantu. In this case, ade and ide mean itself. It said it will come by itself. ಅದು ತಾನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿತು. In this case, tane is itself. Click subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified when we post a video. If you would like to see more videos from our channel, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.